Making a pan from an oil drum involves using a special hammer and chisel to cut the drum. Since the steel is only 0.2 millimeters thick, using a high-powered cutter could cause the metal to anneal due to the heat, reducing its lifespan. Therefore, the entire dismantling process uses methods that minimize damage to the steel. Although this increases the workload, the craftsman believes it's worth it for the workshop's reputation. Once the drum's ends are cut off, the next step is to use a technique called tiger descends the mountain to flatten the metal. For smaller dents, a custom tool is used to repeatedly hammer the surface. The tool's weight helps smooth out uneven areas. To ensure the pan's quality, the material must come from the drum's middle section, using steel without reinforcements. Only a craftsman with 20 years of experience can handle the cutting to avoid shape errors. As the cutting proceeds, a hammer is used to remove excess parts. The precision required means the process is time-consuming. It takes a whole day to make a pan, so the labor cost is high. How much do you think it should sell for? After cutting the steel, the blanks are placed in a special furnace. The drum's exterior is coated with anti-rust paint, which softens quickly under high heat. Once cooled, the assistant organizes them and walks 20 centimeters to the shaping workshop. Since the steel is only 0.2 millimeters thick, 30 blanks are stacked for efficient shaping. The hydraulic press reduces gaps between the steel, forming them to standard shapes. Any remaining paint is removed with oxalic acid. After soaking in oxalic acid for 3 or 14 minutes, the pans are cleaned with a new towel and mineral water. The towel is rotated clockwise 86 times to remove paint residue, then mineral water is sprayed to clean the surface. The pans are dried to remove any oxalic acid residue, preventing future corrosion. To make the pans look more elegant, the bottom is polished with a special fiber until it reflects light. Although the craftsmen aren't afraid of heat, the workshop owner ordered simple iron handles for safety, using a knotting technique to secure them. And so, a high-end flatbread pan made from a discarded oil drum is crafted. How long do you think they will last?